Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this one we're going to take you along. We're going to go and look at another vehicle for the business, so you can come along with us. It's just in Edinburgh, so we've not got too far to go, and then we'll show you around it, what it's going to get used for, how we're going to sort of do it all. But aye, let's come along for the journey. So this is what we're here to see, Ford Ranger. Now we have got ourselves a recoveries trailer and we're going to start doing some recoveries. So we're going to look at getting this. We're going to get a tow bar for it, Wildtrak, 4-wheel drive. So we're going to go in here, hopefully get a test drive, see what it's like, and we'll see where we go. This is as we're inside it now. So it is literally immaculate condition in here. Ria's pretty happy with it. Nice and spacious, the seats are so comfy, and you've got this big screen. And then obviously if you go into your menus, you know, you've got off-road there, towing. It's got everything that we could possibly need. Heated steering wheel. It's absolutely cracking. Right, so we're back home now. We've went for a test drive, we've reserved the vehicle, so it's now just a case of looking into what way we're going to finance it. So there's a couple of options. We either pay for it up front, which I'm not really keen on doing because it's not good for cash flow. We either go for a bank loan, which has its pros and its cons, or we'll just go for the asset finance, which we're going to exploit all the options, see what's best for us, for the business in general, and then yep, we'll let you know what we've went for in the end. Hopefully it all works out and then we can pick up that vehicle. So yeah, it is a beautiful car, a pickup to drive, so smooth, doesn't feel like you're driving a big vehicle whatsoever. It is it's absolutely brilliant. So we're going to go and assess our options just now, work out a plan, everything like that, a business plan for it, and then if it all works out, it looks good on paper, we will go ahead and hopefully get ourselves a new vehicle. It's now the following day and we've had everything agreed for a finance agreement for the pickup. So we're in the van, we're heading through to Falkirk just now. We're going to go and sign everything off for that, and then hopefully we'll be picking the Ranger up today, later in this video. So on our way through there now, we'll get everything signed, get it paid out, and yeah, hopefully if you stay tuned, we'll go and pick the Ranger up later on and we'll do a full walk around, a bit more detail into the actual pickup, what it's going to get used for, how it's going to help the business and all that sort of stuff. But exciting times. Guys, just going to jump in on this video quickly. I'm going to do a video on a meet and greet the team, so me, Ria and Greg. I want you to ask if you have any questions for anybody in the team at all, can you please leave it in the comments and I will include them in the video. Anything regarding, I don't know, what's your favourite type of job to do or anything like that, you know the questions. Please leave it in the comments and we will get them answered in our meet the team video that is coming very shortly. Cheers, hope you continue to watch the video. Now you join us another couple of days later and we're on our way to go and pick the Ranger up. So we've got everything signed off, we are now officially the owners of our Ranger. So we're going to go and pick that up. I'll give you a walk around once we get it, go into more depth, and then we'll go and get the trailer this afternoon. There we go, we've picked it up. So I'm just driving home, I'll do a walk around at home, it was far too busy in there. So I'll do the walk around at home. I've got a tow bar to fit to it when we get there. All the wiring's already pre-wired, you just need plug and play basically. So we'll sort that out, and then after that we'll get over to Kirkcaldy and we'll pick up our new trailer. Here we are then, so 2023 or 73, it's a Wildtrak, and we have obviously big tailgate space in there. How do we open this again? This is electric. There's a button somewhere, I can't even remember where, but there's a button that opens that up. Don't know where that is actually, hold on. Aye, so in this side, this wee button here, that opens that up. So as you can see, we've got a big bed in there basically. We've got power socket at the back, it's 12 volt, tie down points, so all the linings in there. Big grey wheels, what size are they? 18 sorry. Oh, it's locked itself. And here's the back, so leather seats with orange stitching, charging points in the back, fold down cup holders, sort of black roofline. I love a black roofline in our vehicle. And then, so here's the front, turn the ignition on. You've got, again, your black leather steering wheel, the orange stitching runs throughout, automatic box, big screen, how do we turn that down? Your big screen Apple CarPlay, it's got Alexa built in. What else has it all got? Oh, your sort of, your towing stuff. How did I get that again? Do light checks, there's your cameras. So that is inside it. Here we've got our two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive settings, so high, low, not sure what A means. Our different terrains, obviously a handbrake, and then it's all heated seats, heated steering wheels. Again, we've got the black writing, or dark grey, it's black writing all down the side, bi-turbo, and there's the front of it, so it's absolutely huge. And under here we have, however that opens, a 2 litre diesel, so it's only done 29,000. It's absolutely immaculate. I mean, there's obviously a bit of dirt, but there's no oil, nothing. It is clean as anything. But yeah, there we go. So that is the new purchase. We've got a number plate to go on it, so we have N30. So all the other ones are N15, N25, but N30, wee Bonnie was born on the 30th, so that is why we've got, that's why we opted for 30, sorry. But yeah, there we go. Now we have the tow bar to go on it. The wiring's already there, so we're going to get the tow bar fitted, and then we can go and get this trailer. Here is the tow bar. So unboxed it all last night. Got all our bolts, they're the ones that go up into the chassis. All these wee brackets, not really too sure where they'll go, but we do have a sort of diagram where they go. So we're going to build this up, get it bolted on. Now I've bolted all that together, just obviously finger tight. So I need to go and get some 10 mils, I think these are 19s or 17s, tighten all this stuff up, a 24, tighten that up, and then once all that is completely solid, we'll get it underneath, and then we will get these big bolts fitted. I'm going to put a wee bit of copper slip on these, purely because they're going into the chassis, just so we can get them back out if there's ever a day this needs to come back off. This is where we're at. I've not had time to video it because I'm in a bit of a rush. I've got another breakdown to go to. Try to do this, I need to pick the trailer up, but basically we've took off our bar, bumpers off, so the new tow bar is ready to go in, and then we can fit the bumper back on top of that. As you can see, that is us, we're fully bolted on now. This is plugged into the wiring loom, so we've just got our wee box to go in under the glove box, I guess. I'll go and show you that. So we've got this goes, I believe it's behind the glove box. It's just like your little CAN bus box, and then we've got like a little plug and play wiring loom, a little earth connection, and some fuses. Now this does, if I can even open the hood, it does have basically instructions, so it'll show you exactly where everything goes, what you need to unplug, what you need to plug in, fuses and all that stuff. There we go, so we are fully connected, fully wired up. Just going to grab a wee bite to eat, and then we're going to go and head over and go and pick up this trailer. This is my other thought process behind the pickup. So I've got a little toolbox there, sorry, that's just filled with all your sort of basic tools. I've got a spray flap to go and fit up in perf, and it's easier just to take my toolbox, the spray flap and the stuff I need in the pickup, than it is taking the big van all the way up there. Miles better on fuel, so that is what this is for also. So we have arrived at Auto Build Trailers, and here is the trailer. So I'll do a full walk around this later, but basically there it is. There we go then, so that is the full setup. Ranger, trailer, so give you a bit more of a walk through in the trailer now. Got a manual winch. I'm considering getting the 12 volt electric one, to be fair. I've not really made my mind up. It's tilt, so if you undo these and clip, basically pull that off, you can tilt the trailer so you get a nice low loading angle, and then they just push back in like so. We've also got dolly wheel, spare wheel, 13-pin plug, full LED lights, wheel chocks, alloy wheels. And there you go underneath. So it's all Alco axles, everything is Alco on it. It's absolutely perfect. Galvanised steel, but mud wings. And here's the ramps, so they're all kept nice and secure. All LED lights along the back. And then underneath you've got these little rollers, so when it's tilted it sits on the wheels instead of it sitting down on the bumper bar, like Brian James wants to sit bang on the bumper, and I didn't really like that. But aye, we're going to get some branding down the side. We'll get some branding on the pickup. I've just not fully decided what to get on the pickup yet, but I'm thinking matte black to match that. Maybe a wee logo here or something. Not fully decided yet, but if anybody needs any cars, vans recovered, we can now do it for you anywhere in Scotland. So please give us a message and you get this thing to work. So thank you for watching another Scottish Tech video. So that is us now, all kitted up for doing recoveries. If you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments. Let me know if I can try and answer it to the best of my knowledge. But aye, thank you very much. Remember, hit the subscribe button, it means a lot to me, everybody that follows me. Honestly, I'm very humbled by all my social medias. And yep, until the next one, I'll see you later. Thank you.